Mangalsutra and ID. First day. La 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 la. So today is 25th of May and I'm getting ready. It's around 1 p.m. and I'm still feeling lazy to get dressed up and catch a cab because I have to go to the capital of Sikkim, that is Gangtok, from where I'm staying, that is Jorthang. Oh, I forgot to tap in the toner. So after tapping the toner, I'm going to apply this Dermaco pigmentation serum, which promises me to have a pretty face, tan free face, since I ride scooty. And as you can see from my face how tanned I've become. Okay, so after serum I'm going to apply this moisturizer cream by Mamaearth. So after this I'm going to apply the sunscreen. Now I'm going to apply this viral tir. Ooh, it's almost finished. So idea is you have to flip it. I'm going to flip the side. Da 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 ding ding ding. I know the other side will have. Why am I screaming like this? Is because whenever I see my YouTube videos, it makes me feel, oh, I need to speak louder and faster. People might get sleepy. So I'm going to tab in. Oh, I was supposed to tab here first. I saw lots of tutorial to tab in here first. By the way, he's my nephew. He's not in a good mood. Now I'm going to transform myself. So I'm going to face paint. I know a lot of haters are already there. Makeup gareko and all. So makeup garnu pani art ho. Makeup saunu pani face राम्रो हुनु पर्छ. So इच्छा हो. It is my choice to do makeup and it is my money, so I hope kasaiलाई problem hunदैन होला. So I'm going to do this eyebrow thing. Oh, but today I'm going to use this glam something color palette, which I stole it from my sister. So she has a parlor and I'm confused which color should I apply. Something brown. Okay, so she has a parlor and sometimes she does that bridal makeup, so she never runs out of this. Oh no, oh baby, no, of this thing. Oh, that's the sister I was talking about. Oh my god, ताली मार्दैछ है उ चाहिँ यहाँनेर ताली मार्दैछ है मेरो बिगाडेर डिश. Okay, so quickly I'll show you. Okay, now the moment of truth. Excuse me, I have to show. राम्रो भएन. I reached Gangtok, but then my elder sister, she told me to take out my nephew who is camera shy. So we are going to the market now. He's running like a mad person, as you can see. Do garana. के हो त्यो चाहिँ? Chicken wing. And he just finished his burger and he's having french fries. Cheers, Gorunda. Cheers. We just finished eating so much of pizza and all the thing thanks to my nephew. Now we are going to return back to Devrali where I have my trolley, and after that I have to go to Burduk since I have training from tomorrow. And my luggage is there in Devrali. So yes. Yeah, 9 बजिसकेको छ. It's already 9 PM and I'm still on my way to my training venue. That's because I had so much in my plate today. Had to take my nephew, and after that I didn't get any cab. So one I got, that also till half the venue. So for now I'm walking. बिचारा म अब चाहिँ होटल पुगेको अवस्था. Just reached my room and here is my roommate. So rude roommate. The level of obsession is real. Let's see how it will turn out. Bye bye. As I watch you there flying, I see you beside me. As I watch you there flying, there's no one but you. Now the moment of truth. I'm going to untangle my hair now. All right, not that bad. First day. This is our first day. Okay. I don't know how to handle this before now. 1, 2, 3, start. Not wearing heels. I'm not wearing heels because it is raining outside. I was supposed to wear a pink kurta today, but thanks to the rain, I'm going with this. What do you call this? We have changed our mind because of the weather. Look. We got some bag and something to write, right? And we got this Mangal Sutra and ID. We are in a queue to get our lunch and the line is pretty long. यो चाहिँ 5 बजीको हो. बिहान चाहिँ राम्रै भएको थियो, सो अहिले चाहिँ फुस्केको हो. तर मलाई यस्तै वेभी हेयर मनपर्छ. We just returned from first day training and we are exhausted to the core, like literally, as you can see from my eye bag. After a hectic day, cheers to Miss Something, my room partner, for making me this tasty coffee. We just received a call that our dinner is ready and it's 8 o'clock. And see you. Feeling very hungry. Aloe vera